Every tap you make, every page you open, is being interrupted. Ads, trackers, pop-ups. But what if your phone worked for you again? Today, you'll learn how to reclaim your mobile experience, block ads and trackers, without installing a single app. Mobile ads don't just distract you, they slow your phone down, drain your data, invade your privacy, and clutter your screen. Every banner, every tracker, every pop-up is silently costing you speed, focus, and control. The solution isn't another app. It's a single address, dns.adguard.com. This free DNS filter works quietly in the background, blocking ads, trackers, and malicious sites before they even load. No installs, no root, no cost. Here's how it works. Your phone asks where a website lives. If that request leads to ads or trackers, AdGuard DNS shuts the door. Clean requests go through. Unwanted ones stop instantly, delivering clean content only. The moment you turn it on, everything improves. Ads disappear across apps, pages load faster, data usage drops, trackers lose visibility, and known scams and malware never reach your screen. This isn't complicated. It's a one-time setting change that takes less than 2 minutes. Whether you're on Android or iPhone, the setup is fast, and the benefits are immediate. On Android, open Settings, go to Network and Internet, tap Private DNS, choose Private DNS Provider Hostname, and enter dns.adguard.com. Tap Save, and just like that, your phone is protected system-wide. On iPhone, open Wi-Fi settings, tap the info icon next to your network, configure DNS manually, and add AdGuard servers. This protects you on Wi-Fi cleaner browsing with no extra apps running. This goes beyond ads. AdGuard DNS blocks phishing sites, malware hosting domains, and scam pop-ups. Threats are filtered out before they ever get the chance to load. No solution is perfect. DNS blocking won't remove ads inside the official YouTube app, and some sites may break if they rely on ads to function. Occasionally, network switching may require a quick toggle, but the trade-off is worth it. Compared to apps and browser extensions, AdGuard DNS stands out. It works across apps, needs no installation, and is incredibly easy to set up. Other methods offer more control, but with more complexity. If you want simplicity and zero setup, DNS is the clear winner. Power users may prefer dedicated apps for fine-grained control, and for desktops, browser extensions still have their place. Is it safe? Yes. Can you turn it off? Anytime. Will it slow you down? Quite the opposite. It often speeds things up. And yes, it works on mobile data on Android, with Wi-Fi coverage on iOS. A cleaner, faster, safer mobile experience is just one setting away. Change a single line to dns.adguard.com and take back control. No apps, no cost, no compromise. Just the content you want.